Number 1. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, the nutrient behind their vibrant orange hue and one of the top superfoods for naturally radiant skin. It also has lots of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. The easiest way to include it in your diet is to start your day with a bowl of delicious carrot juice. Number 2. Papaya. This fruit contains an enzyme called papain. It brightens the skin and fades dark spots and acne scars. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology showed that a papaya extract was effective in improving skin texture and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can eat papaya raw or cooked. You can even apply its mask on your face. Number 3. Spinach. This leafy green vegetable is rich in chlorophyll, which gives it that vibrant green color. Chlorophyll is a powerful detoxifier. It cleanses your blood and removes impurities from your organs, which in turn will make your skin glow. Spinach is also rich in carotenoids, which have been shown to protect the skin from sun damage and reduce the risk of skin cancer. The best way to include spinach in your diet is to add it to salads, fruits, smoothies, or even cooked dishes. Number 4. Avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It is a great source of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental damage. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed more avocados had a lower risk of developing skin cancer. You can include avocado in your diet by making avocado toast, adding it to salads, or using it as a base for guacamole. Number 5. Berries. Berries are some of the most nutrient-dense fruits on the planet. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The high vitamin C content of berries helps in collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and wrinkle-free. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating a diet rich in berries can improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can include berries in your diet by eating them raw, adding them to smoothies, or using them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. There are many other superfoods that can give you glowing skin, such as broccoli, sweet potato, and flax seeds. But the 5 superfoods mentioned above are a great place to start. If you want to learn more about how to achieve glowing skin, then click on this video.